In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use a bentonite clay mask that you could prepare at home for yourself using turmeric and apple cider vinegar. It is so good. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys, and if you're interested, then keep on watching. Going to need Aztec Indian clay, and I just like to take a few spoonfuls and drop that in there. I'm then going to add a pinch of turmeric right into my clay. Next, you're going to be adding apple cider vinegar, and I like to add a little bit at a time and then mix it a little bit at a time to see the consistency that I want, which I will show you in a second. So I've got the consistency that I want, and it looks like paste, very pasty, and it's just gonna glide onto our face really well. Now, why did I use turmeric? Turmeric is used to cleanse our chakras. It corresponds with the sun, with Leo, the lion energy. It's fire element, so that means it spices things up, and it's for our solar plexus chakra, which instills confidence. It's anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antioxidant. It's good for acne, eczema. It's helped me with wrinkles, scars. It helps my skin glow. It just refreshes my skin and my energy. Next, you want to take a tool. I have my little rose quartz beauty tool right here, or a brush or your fingers, and apply this on. What I like to do is leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all dry, and then we'll wash it off and I'll show you the results afterwards. So I've had this on my face for about 25 minutes, and it's not all the way dry as you can see, but it's pretty stiff and dry, and I'm gonna go wash it off and I'll show you the results. I just hopped out of the shower. I washed off the mask. My skin feels so good. My energy feels so good. I feel so calm and relaxed. But still, I have energy to do something else. Like, I might just go cook dinner, clean the kitchen. Turmeric is like this fresh boost of energy, and I really love it. I love what it did for my skin. I know I look tired, but this is how I look by the end of the night. It really did take away a lot of my dead skin, a lot of the darkness under my eyes. I feel like it just kind of freshened everything up. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed.